We have a 1999 Yamaha Wolverine cold start. 58.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And the muffler is 55. So I know it's not that cold, but in South Carolina we really don't get this. So first we're going to try without the choke on. Perfect. Has a DG exhaust, baffles removed. Let it warm up here. ITP rims with 25 by 10 inch Maxxis tires. I think they're called MU20s or something. Needs to be cleaned. On the front it's 25 by 8 by 12. The back is 25 by 10 by 12s. Sounds pretty good with that DG exhaust. Sounds pretty good. My garage is a mess right now, so I had to fix this up a little bit. I gotta replace a switch right here because it's slow. Sometimes you gotta hit it. Come on. Has a light bar on the front. Put a hitch on it yesterday with a ball, fixed the brakes yesterday. 2-inch wheel spacers front and back.